Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hi, if you're new, my name is Brenda. Welcome to our family. So today's video is on this eye look. I used the Juvia's Palace eyeshadows. So I did like this galactic pinky eyeshadow with the cut crease using the Urban Decay Liquid Moon Dust. You guys know I love these, but if you guys would like to know more in depth on how I went ahead and created this makeup look, just keep on watching. Okay guys, so we're gonna go into the Zulu by Juvia's, and we're gonna take this like pinky color. Let's start off slow, so we're gonna put it right in our crease. Okay, so now we're gonna go into the same Zulu palette, go into this shade, this purpley shade. So we're going with that purple shade, and we're gonna put it in our outer V part. Well, we're gonna combine that purple, and then we're gonna go into the Masquerade Mini by Juvia's and go into the color Sobo. And we're gonna go ahead and mix it a little. And we're actually gonna pull the color a little bit, like 3/4 in, so around where like the middle of your pupil is. And then we're gonna go ahead and take a clean blending brush and then blend them together. And then we're gonna go ahead and go into the Liquid Moon eyeshadow, and the name is Solstice by Urban Decay. The Liquid Moon eyeshadows, you guys have heard me talk about these. I love them so much. Oh, yes. And as you guys can see, it's like a half cut crease. It's not a full-on cut crease, but it is a half cut crease. And then we're gonna go ahead and take that pink color and that purple color, and then we're gonna go ahead and smoke it out in our lower lash. And as you guys can see, I gave it more like a galactic type of makeup look, type of eyeshadow look. So it's more like galactic, like this looks really cool with the Liquid Moon Dust eyeshadow. It looks so cute. And then we're gonna go ahead and go into the Masquerade, which is this one. And then we're gonna go into the shade Giza. And then we're just gonna pop that in our inner corner as a little bit of a highlight, just to make it pop more. Okay guys, so I'll be right back. I'm gonna put some lashes. These are gonna be the Slay lashes in Goddess. So I'll be right back. Okay guys, so we went ahead and put our lashes on. They look fabulous. So we did our eyelashes, we did everything. We smoked out our we did our mascara. I used the Maybelline Total like Temptation or something like that it's called. I'll put like a picture or I'll link it down, one of those two. But yeah guys, I hope you guys like this look. It's like a galactic type of look. I know it's not really galactic because I didn't like go crazy with like highlighter being like colorful and like pastel or like holographic, but this is my own glam version of what is like a galactic look. So yeah guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And as always, I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe, share so our community keeps on growing. Go follow me on Instagram and add me on Snapchat. Bye!